Hey everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this video you will learn how you can add new Mailchimp subscribers into LeadSquared application automatically. So guys, Mailchimp is an email marketing tool and LeadSquared is a CRM and lead management application. So guys, if you want to use the features of both of these applications to manage your leads and to convert them into your customers, you can use this automation that I'm about to tell you. Here we have integrated Mailchimp with LeadSquared. Now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when any new subscriber is going to be added in Mailchimp, the same subscriber will be added as a new lead in LeadSquared application. So you can convert that lead afterwards, and you do not have to manually see which subscriber is adding here, and you do not have to manually add the subscriber again in LeadSquared. So it will save your manual efforts and your time, and it will improve your productivity. So guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so you can sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here. So guys, here you can fill the name like this, Mailchimp to LeadSquared automation. Okay, and after that you can just click on this create button, and you will see your workflow page is loading up here. So you can see on this page we have the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two functions, we are going to build this automation. So the trigger is that event, guys, which is going to trigger this workflow or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be adding of a new subscriber in Mailchimp, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the same subscriber as a new lead in LeadSquared application. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose Mailchimp as a trigger application. All right, and here in the trigger event you have to select new subscriber. Okay, so it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with Mailchimp application, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So you need to follow these steps written here to make this connection. Let me show you the exact process. You can just read these steps, then follow it. Okay, so this is my Mailchimp applications dashboard, guys, and here you can see we have this audience section. So guys, under this audience section you will find this manage audience drop down, and from here you have to click on settings. Okay, and under the settings page, when you scroll down you will find an option which is called webhooks. You can see, you can read the instruction here. Under the setting, click on webhooks. Okay, so click on webhooks. All right, and here you can create a new webhook by clicking on this create new webhook button. Just click on it. So guys, here in this callback URL section field, you have to paste this webhook URL. Okay, so just click on copy from here and then paste it here in this callback URL field like this. Okay, and here it is asking what type of updates should we send. Okay, so we want that as and when a new subscriber got added in Mailchimp, the details of that subscriber will be sent to our workflow. So from these check boxes, you have to check this subscribers box, and you can uncheck all these boxes. Okay, or if you want to send all these updates in your workflow, you can check all these. Okay, and here only send updates when a change is made. Here you have to check all three boxes: by a subscriber, by an account admin, or via the API. Check all three boxes here and then click on save. Okay, and you can see a new webhook connection is made here. Right, like this, a webhook is added here, and here you can see After adding the webhook, it will show you this label and value in this response section. Now guys, let's click on recapture webhook response, and after that we are going to perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to manually create a subscriber in Mailchimp, and the data of that subscriber will be fetched here. Okay, so click on recapture, click on yes, and here you can see started waiting for the response. Now I am going to open a page, a sign up page I have created with the help of Mailchimp application, and I'm going to fill the form, the sign up form manually, and the data of that test lead or test subscriber will be fetched here in this response section. Okay, so this is the form I have created. It's a newsletter subscription form. Here I'm going to put the name of any demo lead. So the first name is demo, last name is lead, email address is this, all right, and here let me fill the phone number details. Right, so these are the test details I have added, and I'm going to click on subscribe now, and you can see the subscription form. Okay, I'm not a robot. Subscribe. Right, so here it is showing subscription confirmed. Thank you for subscribing. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this subscription. And here you can see we got the data received here like this. It is showing the email ID and the first name, last name, email address, and mobile number like this. Okay, that's how we can capture the data. And if you want to check in Mailchimp, you will find the same contact in the Mailchimp also in the subscriber section. Let me show you. So guys, here you can see in this contact section we got the new lead added or subscriber added like this. The first name is demo, last name is lead. Okay, that's how you can add the data and got the data here. So we have received the test data. Now I want to send this same person as a new lead in LeadSquared application. Okay, for that to happen, we are going to connect LeadSquared here in this actions tab. So from this search bar, search for LeadSquared. Here it is selected, and the action event would be update or create a lead. This one, create or update lead option. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection here, and here it is asking for the access key of LeadSquared, the secret key, and the API host. Okay, so you will find these things from the LeadSquared's account settings. Okay, and in the settings you will find this API and webhooks tab. Under this tab you will find this access key. Let me show you that. So guys, here I am under the settings page of LeadSquared application. You can reach here from this profile icon, and here you will find this API and webhooks tab. When you click on it, you will find this API access keys option, and here you can generate a new key or you can use an existing key. Okay, so this is the access key. First of all, copy this access key like this and paste this access key here in this field. Okay, and now click on show secret key button here, and this is the secret key. Just copy this key, okay, and paste it here in the secret key field. Similarly, you will find the API host link. This is the API host link. You can copy this address like this and paste it here like this. Okay, and after filling all these three things, just click on save and you will be connected with LeadSquared. So you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking for the first name, last name, email address, and all these things to create a lead inside LeadSquared. So guys, we have received the test data here in this first tab. So I'm going to map these labels I have received here, the first name and the last name labels, here in these fields. Okay, so to map the data, just click here and it will show you the Mailchimp step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only you can just click on it to map the data. Okay, similarly map the last name, okay, the email address and the phone number, right? So we do not have the address details, so we can leave these things blank. These are not compulsory things. If you got all the things, you can map all the data. Okay, so here it is asking if you want to send an email, you can make it true or false. If you want to make a call, you can select that. If you want to track that person, you can use true or false option here. And if you have the Twitter, Facebook IDs, you can map the things here. Right now I have just mapped the things I got in the test data like this, and now I can create a lead inside LeadSquared by clicking on save and send test request, and a test lead will be created in this section, in the lead section of LeadSquared. Okay, so here let me click on save and send test request. So it is showing the status as success. Let us check in LeadSquared application if we got the data. I am refreshing the lead section, and here you can see demo lead got added here automatically. Okay, and when you open it, it will show you all the data that you have mapped here in the workflow. Okay, so that's how you can create leads automatically in LeadSquared. So guys, we are done setting up this automation. Now, as and when any person is going to sign up in real time from your forms, the same person will be added inside LeadSquared application like this. Okay, and we have mapped the labels here. This means whenever you got a new sign up, the labels are going to change here automatically, and the new person with the fresh data will be added here inside LeadSquared. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, it is going to run automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.